Hi there, welcome once again. Sometimes window photo viewer doesn't work properly. As you can see guys, I want to open this JPG file, but window photo viewer doesn't open this file. So guys, what to do? For this, just click on Windows search box and type settings. Then press enter. Under the settings, click on apps. Under the apps and features, click on this search box and type photos. Click on Microsoft Photos. Click on advanced options. Under this settings, there are two most important options. Number one, repair, and number two, reset. So I am going to try first repair. Just click on it. This will take couple of seconds. It is done guys. Now let's check the problem is still there or not. First refresh desktop. Double click on this image. As you can see guys, the problem is still there. Now let's go back and open the same settings. This time we have to choose a reset option. Just click on reset. Before reset, please read these lines and click on reset once again. This will take couple of seconds and it is done guys. Once reset has completed, we should restart our machine. Just click on restart. After restarting the machine, we can check the problem is still there or not. So just double click on this image. As you can see guys, it is done. Our image is successfully opened. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching.